In a vast and sun-drenched savannah, a small dung beetle named Dibs lived. Dibs was unlike any other beetle. He had a peculiar habit of rolling dung balls. One day, as the sun began to set, Dibs found a large mound of dung. He rolled a ball, pushed it, and watched as it rolled away. A gust of wind caught it, and it tumbled down a slope, out of sight. Feeling disheartened, Dibs sat down, his small legs trembling. He looked at the distant mound, his heart heavy. "Why try when the wind will take it away?" he thought. Just then, a wise old elephant named Ella passed by. Seeing Dibs, she stopped and asked, "Why so sad, little Dibs?" Dibs explained his predicament, and Ella smiled. "Dibs," she said, "always remember, you roll the ball not just for yourself, but for the world that grows with each ball you roll." Inspired by Ella's words, Dibs picked up another piece of dung. He rolled it, pushed it, and this time, he held on tight, his determination unwavering. The wind blew, but this time, Dibs held firm. His ball rolled down the slope, and he watched with a smile as it rolled towards a place where it could germinate and nourish the soil. From that day on, Dibs never let go of his determination, knowing that every roll of his dung ball was a step towards a better world. And the savannah flourished under the sun, a testament to Dibs' relentless spirit. In the end, Dibs' story teaches us that no effort is ever wasted, and determination, like the sun, can help something small grow into something big.